I'm getting ready to go for a bike ride. It's not looking real good, but I'm gonna go anyway. Let me show you my bikes. This is my little patio porch barbecue place. Let me show you a few of my bikes. This is the new room I just did. It's above my Chevelle. This is for the little guys. These are my bikes. Got Cannondale, I got Trek, I got Massey. I've got a Denault, I've got Rowley, I've got carbon rims. These are wood pieces I've all turned back when I used to turn wood. All sorts of inlays. One of these days I'll show you the inside of them. They're really pretty. But I'm getting ready to go for my bike ride, so let me show you the bike I'm going on. It's about a 21-mile ride. This is the bike I'm getting ready to ride right there. But I'm a little ways out on that one. But this is the bike I'm taking. These are my little guys, the fellas. There's a couple more there. But this is the bike right here. She's ready to go. Cannondale Super 6. Got the Dura-Ace package, carbon rims. This is what you would consider bike porn for the guys that ride bikes. She weighs about 13 pounds. Okay. I'm getting ready to jet on out of here. I got the house all cleaned. Turned out nice. Have a good afternoon. Ciao.